6 Secrets to Lose Weight Successfully. Have you ever experimented with popular diets that promise quick results, only to find yourself struggling with the rebound effect a few weeks later? This phenomenon can undo all your progress and even add some extra pounds to your weight. Interestingly, studies suggest that the average person attempts to lose weight at least 4 times a year, yet only 1% of them succeed in achieving their weight loss goals and sharing their success stories. But what if you could be part of that 1%? Imagine the satisfaction of finally reaching your desired weight and maintaining it in the long run. If you're ready to take charge of your weight loss journey and increase your chances of success, then don't miss out on our 6 secrets to achieving your goals quickly and effectively. Now keep in mind that for the best results, you should follow all of these simple rules. Don't miss a single one. Dr. Roger Gould, one of the most well-known experts on emotional eating, assures us that our emotions, not a lack of willpower, prevent us from losing weight. Therefore, you should learn some rules before starting your battle with weight loss. 1. Be physically active. A healthy diet plan does help you lose weight, but you should combine proper nutrition with physical exercise. Even low-risk activity such as walking will be helpful. You don't have to spend your whole life in a gym. Just take small steps and do something you like. It's better to do a 15-minute workout every day rather than spend 2 hours in a gym once a week. Let's admit everyone has 15 to 30 minutes a day to do some simple exercises to stay in shape. And physical activity also makes you feel better. It reduces the risk of several diseases and improves brain function. 2. Track your progress. Believe it or not, you should always monitor your progress carefully. This trick will give you a real picture of how much weight you've lost. In many cases, you'll have to wait for months until you see some noticeable changes in your body. Therefore, keep a record of all the changes. Not to lose motivation, you should weigh yourself daily and register all the changes. Remember that slow and steady progress is the ideal way to lose weight and to improve your habits without too much suffering. 3. Be consistent. It's always tough to start a diet that promotes eating only fruits and vegetables. If you're used to eating mainly fast food, diet is an enormous stress for your body and it will react accordingly. Don't demand too much of yourself at once and make progressive changes instead. Losing pounds as fast as possible and looking as good as a fashion model within a week is not an achievable goal you should set for yourself. It's bad for your health to make a sudden change in your dietary behavior. Change your eating habits step by step with no rush. Take small but healthy steps on a daily basis and make slow but steady progress. Within a few months, you'll overcome all of your unhealthy habits. Focus on the positive things and think of what you've already accomplished. 4. Get support from your friends and family. Now, the moral support is critical when you're on a diet. Your friends know that when you do give in to temptation, you'll feel guilty afterward. Therefore, they can remind you to be careful with high-calorie foods when they're with you. It's their way of supporting you in your battle with extra weight. Also, your diet should be guilt-free. If every food you eat during the day makes you want to punish yourself for eating something sweet, well, you won't get the desired results anytime soon. You shouldn't feel bad when losing weight. 5. Determine your metabolic type. If you feel like you're doing everything to lose weight, but still have no noticeable results, it's okay. It's a very common problem. Before giving up, learn more about your metabolism. If you have a slow metabolism, arm yourself with patience and don't let your guard down. Remember that long-term results become visible one day. And we also have an excellent way to speed up your metabolism: peppermint green tea. Green tea, the main ingredient, optimizes fat oxidation, while mint and lemon contribute to the metabolism. Mix 7 cups of green tea, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a few lemon slices in a jar. Put the jar on the fridge on Sunday night. Starting from Monday, drink a glass of tea every day. Keep drinking for a week, and you'll see the results very soon. 6. Any diet requires supervision. With all those miracle diets that promise to burn pounds in no time, you're running a risk of harming your health. Low-calorie diet plans lack essential nutrients for the proper functioning of your body, so they'll hurt your mental and physical well-being. If you decided to start a diet, contact a good nutritionist for supervision and advice. Let the professional come up with a food plan according to your needs and the capabilities of your body. Now you're ready to embark on your weight loss journey. Good luck! Remember, losing weight is a gradual and consistent process, so even if your progress seems minimal, feel free to share it with us in the comments section. Also, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and advice for a healthier lifestyle. Let's continue on this journey towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life.